Sensing the ripples of time, Level 1, the mechanics. Here is a preview of the final movement. The left hand will create circles going clockwise and the right hand counterclockwise. Just as in the other movement called Sensing the Ripples of Qi, we have a rotation of the hips to accompany the hand movement. In this case, we add a weight shifting from left to right, one foot to the other. And now let's take the movement apart. Open the stance, connect firmly on the ground, place your hand in the back. Focus on the Tantien, which will trigger the rotation of the movement, and connect your right hip to your right hand. The hand is at the height of the hip or Tantien. Most of your body weight is shifted onto the right leg, and the rotation of the hip swings the hand around. Now rotate and shift your body weight to the left leg, which creates a dragging movement of the hand across. So the rotation of the hip swings the hand around, and the weight shifting from one side to the other carries the hand across. Your hand comes back, gliding very close to the abdomen, and then swings out and about. Rotation of the hips and weight shifting. Rotation of the hips creates the rotation and swinging of the hand, and shifting creates the dragging across. Switch hands. Rotation of the hip. Connect the hip with the hand. So here you see how the weight shifted onto the left leg allows the rotation of the hips, which rotates the hand around. And then the shifting onto the right leg drags the hand across. Now let's take a look at the combination of the rotation of the hips and the weight shifting from side to side. Rotation, shift. Rotation, shift. As your hips are moving in diagonal, they are drawing figure eights or infinity figures. And now simply let the hand follow the swinging around and the dragging across. Swing around, drag across. Swing around, drag across. I would like you to pay attention to the shape your hand draws in space. A large circle going outwards, and on the way back, inwards, closer to the body. Large arc and smaller arc. It is the shape of a coma or a curled tadpole. Now let's take a closer look at the movement of the hand. You might recognize the path that the hand follows as being half of the symbol of Tai Chi. The other half is drawn by the other hand. Now observe how these two shapes intersect in front of the abdomen. Now take some time to practice the movement, create fluidity, roundness, harmoniously balancing the weight shifting and the rotation of the hips. And in the next chapter on this movement, we will go over some subtle aspects and layers of meaning to deepen our understanding.